Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today we are going to learn names of birds in Dinka language and then we change them into English language. So let us begin from bird number one. This bird. So this bird is called bake, 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 and in English it is called saddle-billed stork. Saddle-billed stork. That is the name of this bird. It's very beautiful bird. Okay. Another name of bird in Dinka language is called auken. Auken. Auken in English is called cattle egret. Cattle egret or cow crane. Cow crane is called cow crane because everywhere you find them walking along with the cows and some animals. Okay. The this bird is called agumut. 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 A-ga-u-ma-u-t. Agumut mean whole. Wool. Another name of bird in Dinka language is called awet marial. Awet marial. Awet marial is called crested crane. Crested crane. Very beautiful bird. Crested crane. Awet marial. This bird is called awet marial. Okay guys, awet marial. So it's very beautiful. Another name of bird is called whale. Whale. Whale in English is called guinea fowls. Guinea fowls. These are plural. One, two. They are called whale. Whale. If it is singular, it's called whale. Guinea fowls. Whale. This this bird this bird is called arumjok. 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 In English, it's called white black ibis. White black ibis. This bird is called arumjok. Another name of bird is awage. Awage. This one, awage. In English, it's called francolin. Francolin. You see, guys, francolin. This is awage. It's called francolin in English. Awage in Dinka language. Another name of bird is called Ajit. Ajit or Ajit. Ajit mean hen. This one is called Ajit. And these are chicken. Midajit chicken. So Ajit hen is very common in South Sudan. Another common bird, this bird is called aprit. Aprit. Aprit mean quail. 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 Quail in English, and in Dinka language we call it aprit. You see guys, it's called aprit. Aprit. Another common bird is called shore. 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 Sha or shore. In English it's called balshar. Balshar. You see this one. This is called shore. Balshar. Look at the mouth. I mean the beak. Balshar. Look at this beautiful bird. It is called aware. Aware. A-wa-e-er. Aware mean green pigeon. Green pigeon. This bird is called aware. Aware. Green pigeon. In Dinka is called aware. Another name of birds is called wood. 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 Wood mean ostrich. 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 You see, it's very huge bird. Very big bird. It's called wood in Dinka. It's not wood, it's called wood. Wood. Wood in Dinka language. Another bird is called awushwil. 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 This one. This is called Auschwil. It's called Hawk. Hawk. It's called Auschwil in Dinka language. Another common bird, this one. You see, is having fish here. You see, this is the fish. Look at the fish. So that is small fish. It's called makwach. Makwach aguchur ngok. Makwach aguchur ngok. Ma a ka u a sha a ga uta sha ura nga oka. Makwach aguchur ngok. Makwach aguchur ngok. Makwach aguchur ngok. Makwach aguchur ngok. So makwach aguchur ngok is called kingfisher. 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 It's called Makwaja Gutchurngok. In Dinka language, it's a very long name. Makwaja Gutchurngok. It's very easy. Another bird is called Kur. Kur, which means pigeon or dove. Pigeon or dove. It's called Kur. Another birds, okay, we get them before. Now they are plural. Look, there are so many here. They are plural. They are called Aukein. Aukein achinyuch anyarko. Aukein achinyuch anyarko. Mean the cattle egrets are sitting on the buffalo's back. This is anyar. This animal is called anyar buffalo. Another name of bird is, what is the name of this bird in Dinka language and in English? So I need the name in Dinka language and the name in English. This bird. Okay, guys, this is a work for you guys. Do it for me. I have done this lesson a long time ago. I put it in the YouTube, but the voice record was not clear, so that's why I make another video again with the clear voice record. Please, if you are new here, go to our YouTube channel and subscribe. The name of the YouTube channel is called Dinka English TV. So learn Dinka language. It's called Dinka English TV. So you go and subscribe. Also go to our Facebook page. It's written Dinka Will Dialogue, and another page is written Dinka Learning Class. So these are the page that we are running to learn and spread Dinka language. So these are the name of the bird. And if you know any other name of bird, please put them here. I know we have so many birds, but I did not put them. Please write them in the comment section. We are here to learn together. We actually, this is the end of our video. Bunyali real cake awake. We are here. Ayan William, Jack Malek Ding. Dornyali awake. We are here. Bye.